You have to be careful with trend data, because if there's no change in behavior, i.e. the product isn't being used in a way where you would expect weekly or daily usage, it is by some, but it's not by all, then your trend data will never change. Even though, so looking at these sorts of aspects, we're also looking at kind of customer engagement as well. And that was just looking at, have we done something in the past, I think 60 days? And I thought, well, it's not, I don't want to just know about 60 days. So I increased the metric to look at all kind of meaningful activities. So not customer demos, but renewal calls, QBRs, analyst services where we're in and consulting with the business. They all fell under the bracket of meaningful calls. And I said, actually, rather than last 60 days, I'm going to have last 90 and next 30. So for anything that's booked in the future. And then I had this 4-month rolling window now, which is a much more practical way of understanding the near and far engagement on an account.